पे सर
See, humor is difficult. Actually, any kind of acting is difficult. But what Veer Das has done is that he has been actually one of the pioneers of stand-up comedy in India. And I think it's very important to first recognize that fact, that he is one of the pioneers of stand-up comedy in India. I met him many years ago. And I know Veer Das' story. He has been to festivals, he's gone to places where small crowds are there, Edinburgh, जहाँ पे ऑडियंसेस बहुत ही अनफॉरगिविंग और खतरनाक होते हैं और धीरे 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 करके वीर दास has started filling audiences here in Mumbai. Two wonderful shows I have seen which are so fantastic. और एक दिन मैं लॉस एंजलिस में था और मैं बोला तू यहाँ क्या कर रहे थे? आई एम परफॉर्मिंग हियर इन लॉस एंजलिस. छोटा सा एक परफॉर्मेंस था. मैंने उस दिन मैं इतना खुश हुआ और इतना इम्प्रेस हुआ कि वीर दास ने ट्वीट किया. There was a big banner of Veer Das on Hollywood Boulevard, and I'll tell you, the big movies that are released in Hollywood have those kind of banners, the big budget movies, and it is such a joy to see one of our own to be up there, huge banner, and advertising for a show of his. And this is especially for his special on Netflix, the first of its kind for an Indian stand-up comedian. I think it's a moment we should all celebrate. I think it's a moment we all should be very proud of, and it is only the beginning. Even though it is a culmination of many years of hard work that Veer Das has put into the craft, into the understanding of stand-up comedy, which is very difficult because crowds every day are different, material is different, and every day things change, and someday you might have the same material and a good crowd, and next day you may have the same material and a really bad crowd. But you've got to have a big heart to be a stand-up comedian. Comedy is not easy, but in films and television, it is a little easier than facing a live crowd, standing alone with a mic and cracking jokes. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. I am extremely proud. Thank you very much, Veer, for making us proud. You represent us very well. Thank you. बोलना डार्लिंग, तेरे बिना मैं जा ही नहीं सकता हूँ. Please sir, I'd love you to ask.
जो ये एक पर्सन है जो यहाँ से इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं बाहर पे और भी, तो how proud you feel?
I just said so. I just said so. I just said because I have been hearing stories.
He is the first person to promote from India.
Yeah, I just said सब कुछ तो बोला मैंने. And I feel it is so important that we celebrate it. I think it's important. You know, I find it difficult, you know, when you're shooting and you go for a party, and I'm not very good with the cameras, and I'm not good, but I feel it's important to be there. It's important to come and talk about these things. This should inspire a whole generation of comedians and stand-up comedians, which we have some wonderful comedians, which I watch on YouTube all the time, and I feel very nice. And it should inspire a lot of people that in comedy, actually, the world is your playground. The world is your playground, and Veer Das has gone ahead and proved that. Another thing, I saw a wonderful 5-minute spot that Veer Das did on the Conan O'Brien show. The biggest stars in Hollywood get onto the Conan O'Brien show, and it's a big moment. You're on the Conan show, you come for the biggest releases of your movie, to promote your movies. And I saw Veer Das doing a 5-minute spot. It gladdens your heart that one of us is going out there and doing good for us. Thank you. I'm very proud of you.
Good evening to you, Rohan.
Good evening, my darling. How are you?
You're looking so refreshing, handsome, and young.
You discovered it today? I knew for a long time. No, I'm joking. बोले ना क्या हुआ? करे बोलना, ये मेरा डार्लिंग है यार, इसको कभी भी रोकना नहीं. अरे wasting more time doing all that. Come on.
Very nice to see you on your show. How is your show? The show which you are doing.
It's an ultimate joy. It's an ultimate pleasure. Also to see youngsters who can be tomorrow's Veer Das. So it is so wonderful. Here he is. Please put your hands together and please welcome Veer.
How are you? Good to see you. Do you remember Shivani?
Hello. जरा 2 मिनट में एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट आदमी के बारे में बात करें। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात। नहीं इधर आना यार, मजा कर। So I think it is so I can't repeat everything that I said in good because if so this head will become swollen, you know. बहुत कुछ बोला वीर, लेकिन अभी तू आ गया, I'm coming back. But we are talking about the show. This will inspire them. This will inspire those little bachchas, and I think this move and this wonderful piece of news, I think should inspire and spawn a whole generation of stand-up comedians the world over. It's not an easy journey. Somebody asked me, is comedy easy? I said in many ways, comedy, drama is as difficult as easy. But standing with a mic all by yourself in front of a live audience that can be in a good mood, can be in a bad mood, it is a very difficult journey. It takes years to reach a level of confidence and understanding, and to see him on that poster, on the Netflix special, and to see him with Conan, where you see the best of the best coming in and representing the biggest budget movies and promoting them on their show. Veer Das gets a spot just like Jerry Seinfeld got one many years ago.
Congratulations. Congratulations, Veer. I think so. Coming praises and appreciation from Boman. A big compliment for you.
It's I've learnt more doing one short film with Boman than I have in probably my entire comedy career. I got to do a film with Boman and Johnny Lieber, and that's like standing with 2 pillars of comedy. So I don't think there's anybody I look up into the industry more than Boman, both height-wise and comedy-wise. And I'm just very honoured that he's here.
Thank you. I had to come.
Thank you guys. बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है। आई थिंक मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि नेटफ्लिक्स का इतना बड़ा ऑडियंस होगा। करीबन 100 मिलियन लोग उनके ऑडियंस हैं। तो हर देश से मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं कि हमने कभी इंडियन कॉमेडी पहले देखा नहीं था, और हम पहली बार देख रहे हैं, और आप काफ़ी एंटरटेन कर रहे हो उनको। सो आई फील ऑनर्ड टू रिप्रेजेंट इंडियन कॉमेडी। इट्स वेरी गुड यार। हर ऑडियंस एक ही होता है, पूरी दुनिया में एक ही ऑडियंस होता है। सब सेक्स के बारे में हंसते हैं, खाने के बारे में हंसते हैं, बीवी के बारे में हंसते हैं, सब हंसते ही रहते हैं। यस, आई जस्ट होप आई एम नॉट द लास्ट इंडियन एवर टू गेट अ प्लेस ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स। बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है। वी बीन ट्रेंडिंग फॉर 3 days सॉलिड ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स। आई होप कि नेटफ्लिक्स विल कंटिन्यू टू प्रमोट इंडियन स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी।
What next from your side?
What next from my side? Hopefully one more thing on Netflix. 3 Bollywood films in the next 15 months. And a world tour.
Please name the films.
Padel Ki Punjabi Shaadi. So me, Rishi Kapoor and Paresh Rawal in the same movie. So different generations of comedy. And the other 2 I can't talk about.
So you're also working with Kamal Hassan sir?
I'm not working with Kamal Hassan sir. I don't know where that rumor has gotten started. I'm not in Kamal Hassan's movie. I hope I'm in Kamal Hassan's next movie, but I'm not in this one. Thank you. All right.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Right, sir. मैम राइट, मैम आपका राइट। एक मिनट सर, वीडियो के लिए।
Now what are we doing? Just looking in the video.
तो यहाँ पे देखिए।
Thank you. Cool. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
बस उधर ही रहने, उधर ही रहने।
Here? Here.
Ma'am, right.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry. Am I just standing here?
Yeah. Just for the
Yes,
visuals.
look here, ma'am. Thank you. बस thank you.
Got it? Thanks, guys.
Flash off.
Flash off.
Take step back.
सारा सामने, एकदम सामने, ये सही।
And he's a fabulous talent. He improvises, and what I'm most proud about is that he's carving his own path, doing his own thing, creating content which is original, which celebrates what he wants to say to the world. And yeah, we are very proud to be here, to be celebrating a night like this.
So, do you think the image of comedians is changing all over the world? Because Aziz Ansari has a Netflix series as well. Now, Veer Das has one. So, you think the space that comedians enjoy is changing today?
I don't know if it's changing, but I do know that I really welcome the fact that there are more people who are creating content that is around them. They're not trying to fit into somebody else's story. They are the center of their own universe, and they have a very unique story to say. I'm a huge fan of Aziz also, and I don't think we should be comparing talents. I think Veer is doing his own thing, and I'm hoping that many more people do their own thing, and I hope that the whole country wakes up to the fact that there is life beyond just films. There's a whole live entertainment space, be it music, be it stand-up, be it theatre, be it so many different ways to express yourself. So I don't think the only aspiration that one should have, or the only dream in the entertainment sphere, should be starting and ending with films. So I welcome many more such people coming up and creating content that is, reflective of what they want to say to the world.
So now have things cooled down between you and Sonakshi, because there was this tweet, something happened and she blocked and you retaliated and things like that?
Things are never hot as such, yeah.
No.
She's in Australia, I'm wearing leather in Bombay. I think this is the only thing which is making me feel hot right now. But I think it's all in a good space where we live in times where we can express ourselves. We have different point of views, we can argue, and the media seems to pick up the most inane things actually to blow up beyond. I might post 100 different things about the most exciting, positive things happening around the country, but that is not exciting enough for 100 people to go viral with. So a comment on this particular case was again not about Sonakshi or any one person in particular. It was a much more general comment about how we should celebrate merit, people who work hard, and who should go on to any particular stage after having learnt their craft and technique. So that's a general statement that I made. That it got picked up as just some kind of a fight between me and Sonakshi, it's kind of ridiculous. I have nothing personal against Sonakshi. I wish her the best. I hope she has the best opening in her films. And when she comes on stage to sing, she should actually sing and blow us away. And if she sings well, I would be the first one to clap for her. Yeah.
Thank you.